Hello, my stitchies. So we are here 10 days later to pick the Afghan kit giveaway winner. So we are going to copy the URL and go to the YouTube random comment picker. This is pickawinner.co for anybody out there still needing a new comment picker. So we have sorry, there we go. We copy and pasted it in there. We're gonna fetch comments. If you can hear snoring, that is my kitty cat. Okay, so we do not include replies. We do not allow duplicate users. Anything goes. Keyword filter. Actually, okay, so I'm not going to do a keyword filter. Anything goes. Because there was a lot of confusion, I guess. Some people put blanket, some people put Afghan, and I totally understand that those words are interchangeable. So long as you have the word blanket or Afghan in there, then you'll be the winner. All right, so fetching comments, 157 comments. So we're gonna pick a winner now. Good luck, everybody. Missy Brigner. I'd love to make that blanket. I also love that binder. So pretty. Well, congratulations, Missy. You are the winner. So email me. It will be in the description box below. You have 7 days. And get me your address and I will get this out to you. All right, bye, everybody.